Okay, guys, here is an experiment done by two scientists, Emil von Behring and Kitzigatso, and they actually earned a Nobel Prize for their work that dealt with this particular experiment because their work saved lives after they proved this process worked. So, here we go. We're talking about the disease diphtheria. And diphtheria is a bacteria. It causes a disease of our throat and upper respiratory organs, the mucous membranes of those body parts. It develops a horrible sore throat, horrible cough. Probably George Washington was suffering from this when they bled him to death with leeches. So if they hadn't have died from being bled to death, he would have died from the diphtheria. So it's a bacteria. The bacteria produces a toxin, and it seems to be the toxin stimulates our immune system. So we had 3 different experiments in this one big experiment. We had this particular guinea pig had never been exposed to diphtheria. We took some of his blood, we spun it down, we removed the plasma, and we injected that unexposed plasma into guinea pig number 2. Then we exposed guinea pig number 2 to diphtheria. And the guinea pig number 2 died. Shouldn't shock you. We gave the guinea pig diphtheria, we gave him no protection against diphtheria, and he died. Poor little pig. Alright, the second experiment. We exposed this little guinea pig number 1 to sublethal amounts of the diphtheria toxin. We didn't give the guinea pig diphtheria, we just gave him some of the toxin. Okay? We waited a few days, and then we took his blood, we spun it down, we took some of the plasma from that blood sample, and we put that blood sample into guinea pig number 2. Then we waited a couple of days, we gave guinea pig number 2 diphtheria, and guess what? The guinea pig lived! Yay! Okay, we did another experiment. This time we injected this guinea pig to a different strain of diphtheria. Instead of strain A, we injected it with toxins from strain B. And we did its thing, okay, and then we removed some of its blood, we spun it down, and we injected some of that blood into this guinea pig. Okay, so toxins from B, took out the blood, put it in this innocent little guinea pig here. Alright, now we gave this guinea pig diphtheria A, not B, A, and the poor little guinea pig died. Got it? So, blood serum, never been exposed to any diphtheria, was injected into this guinea pig. This guinea pig also was given diphtheria, and it died. This guinea pig was subjected to toxins from A, allowed to react, blood was moved from this guinea pig, the plasma was then put in this guinea pig, and this guinea pig was given diphtheria A. It lived. Similarly, this guinea pig was given sublethal toxins of B. That blood was removed, spun down, the plasma was put into this innocent little guinea pig. But this guinea pig had serum from a bee and was given diphtheria A, and he died. So you can read this here. Until the 20th century, most people did not survive an attack of diphtheria, but a few did. Emil von Behring and Mr. Katsiatsu performed a key experiment using animal model. They demonstrated that the factors responsible for immunity against diphtheria was in the blood serum. So, I'm going to follow this up with a few questions, and hopefully you can respond to those questions and reshare that document with me. And we're out.